The final thing that I'd like to talk about is the outlook. So we achieved these digital innovations broadly without replacing legacy infrastructures. That is actually not feasible, and it's not required. We achieved them by systematically introducing agile techniques, by scaling up agile techniques to the teams that were required. We used modern architectures that decoupled the speed with which various aspects of the IT real estate evolve. We systematically used cloud deployments in a number of different ways. And we embraced DevOps. We are also building the mobile app family. Currently, we have DevOps people on these teams, and that enables us to release. We released 400 client-facing releases last year. That is basically 2 a day. And this is just not possible without doing the sorts of things that I've been talking about.